The IMD extension identifies an ERDAS IMAGINE metadata file containing geospatial image metadata for remote sensing and GIS analysis. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view, edit, or troubleshoot these geospatial metadata files. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor IMD errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. IMD files are metadata files for ERDAS. Imagine a geospatial image processing platform. They contain satellite imagery metadata, including sensor parameters, acquisition dates, sun angles, band information, and geolocation data essential for accurate remote sensing analysis and image interpretation. ERDAS. Imagine IMD files use a text-based key-value format, storing image metadata including sensor name, acquisition date, solar elevation, azimuth band center, wavelengths, radiometric calibration coefficients, and geographic coordinates for the associated satellite imagery. Most installations default to associating ERDAS Imagine from Hexagon Geospatial with IMD. Windows displays only generic icons, indicating a need for specialized software. Windows cannot display the indexed relationships, so proper reading depends on indexing utilities. To unlock this specific file type, right-click your IMD file and select Open With. If ERDAS Imagine is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. We are looking for the software that recognizes the header. If you still cannot open your IMD file, that is okay. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, viewing metadata. Open the IMD file in any text editor to read the metadata parameters. Key values include SATI-ID for satellite identification, acquisition date, band ID for spectral band numbers, and geographic corner coordinates for the image footprint on Earth's surface. Next, using an image processing. ERDAS. Imagine and other remote sensing software read IMD files alongside the associated image data to apply proper radiometric calibration, atmospheric correction, and georeferencing. Ensure IMD files remain in the same directory as their companion image files for automatic metadata loading. Finally, processing with open source tools. Use GDAL command line tools with the associated imagery and IMD metadata for processing without ERDAS. GDAL reads IMD metadata for proper image interpretation. Use Python's Rasterio library with IMD metadata for custom radiometric calibration and atmospheric correction workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.